Today's PCB and electronics design engineers have an increasingly challenging role in every product design. With designs that require ultra-high-speed signal edge rates, sensitive analog circuitry, greener low-power requirements, and a multiplicity of design domains, it's really hard to keep all the design plates spinning. It's even harder having to do all of that and meet design time and production cost goals. To meet the needs of the modern PCB design team, electronics design software needs to combine elegant schematic design entry, ECAD library management, rules and constraints generation, bill of materials management, supply chain management, engineering change order processes, and powerful, flexible and advanced PCB routing capabilities in one easy-to-use environment. But it doesn't stop there, because electronic products have to work in a programmable, physical, mechanical and manufacturable world. Fortunately, there's Altium Designer. At the front end, Altium Designer's WYSIWYG schematic editor allows rapid and accurate development of the logic and connectivity of your product. With advanced, easy-to-use wiring, smart paste, bus and harness wiring, parts search and placement, you can get your designs engineered really fast. Altium Designer allows engineers to make intelligent part choices right up front by integrating live pricing and availability, and datasheet links into the design. Full hierarchical and flat multi-page design is supported, as well as multi-channel design and managed sheets for reuse. Need to simulate part of your circuit? Well, there's no need to redraw it in a separate simulation program. Use the built-in XSpice mixed analog and digital circuit simulation engine. Design rules and constraints for PCB layout can also be entered into schematics, so DDR, length tuning, impedance control, and many other rules and constraints can be configured and transferred to layout through the ECO process from schematic to PCB. Have you ever been frustrated by having to manually link parts from the schematic to your library of decals for the PCB layout? Even if you're used to doing this, you could be saving a metric ton of time with Altium Designer's unified component model. Every component contains its schematic symbols, bill of materials and other parametric data, PCB footprint with embedded 3D mechanical model, and even SPICE and SI models for verification. By using Altium's unified component model when you execute the ECO from schematic to PCB, you can be confident that the correct PCB decal and 3D mechanical model is used every time. Not only that, but as an Altium user, you have unlimited access to more than 200,000 and counting unified components from over 70 different component manufacturers, in addition to your own libraries. Has your company had to spend hundreds or maybe thousands of dollars to get physical design specs for PCI Express, PXI, Vita, ComExpress or other similar standards? You can save a lot of time and money. Altium's content store provides over 160 project design templates from more than 20 different industrial and consumer design standards. Each one includes the connector schematic, PCB and 3D models of the connectors for rapid design starts, and the board outline. Once you're routing the board, Altium Designer's world-class and award-winning PCB editor has everything you need to get the job done accurately and quickly. Altium's goal is to make the best PCB design software available with advanced interactive routing with autocomplete, any angle routing, bus routing including via styles and arced corners, high-speed differential pairs routing, pair-to-pair length and phase tuning, net class length tuning, automated pin and gate swapping with subnet jumpers for auto completion, hug and push routing modes, follow me modes, intelligent push and shove, and the industry's first and most advanced native 3D PCB editor lets you make sure that everything is going to fit together the first time. Rigid flex design capabilities, with bending and folding in 3D, make it possible to model complex assemblies accurately without the hassle of paper dolls and botched prototypes. And with support for multiple layer stacks, you can also move to the next generation of boards with embedded components without having to jump through hoops. Plus, it's easy to provide top quality fabrication documents to your manufacturers. Once you're ready to move to production, a reusable, highly configurable release manager allows you to create all the necessary outputs for fabrication and assembly, including smart PDF documents, 3D PCB videos, and a snapshot of your design to hand over for manufacturing. You can optionally work with a Vault Data Management Server to collect these outputs and centrally manage the life cycles of your design data sets. With features like these being added with every release, Altium is proving our ongoing commitment to PCB and system-level design.